Hi everybody, this is Norm Schilling. I'm the owner of Capital Paint Protection Film in the Raleigh, North Carolina area. Just wanted to let you know that I've been doing paint protection film for over 20 years. And we're looking at expanding our business into a new aspect. Instead of you bringing me your car for me to put film all over the place on it, we're trying to make it so that you can buy smaller do-it-yourself kits that I personally design to be easier for you to use.
So these kits, we're actually not going to just be releasing all kits, all patterns immediately. We're not going to sell full hoods and full bumpers and things like that, which are very common for online sellers, is to just say, here it is, you figure out how to do it. Sorry, it's going to be hard. We're not going to do that. So our goal is to design kits that are smaller in high wear areas or high impact areas. It could be that we are able to offer part of a hood. On other cars, maybe that hood is a little too difficult. Other areas could be the door sills where your feet keep getting in and out, where you put stuff in and out of the trunk, lots of different areas.
There may be other spaces, like if you own a truck, you always grab the tailgate and slam it closed. Well, you build up scratches on the very top edge of the tailgate. Trying to make it so that it's things that are not difficult to install, but high wear areas that are good for you.
And Norm is actually taking the time to design and test fit every single piece that he is offering. That allows us to make adjustments to make it easier for you to install. It allows us to make proper installation videos that are very detailed. And it gives us the confidence that when we sell you something, you'll be able to install it and not be frustrated throughout the process. So that's our exciting news. We're going to be releasing makes and models as we prototype the kits. So make sure that you follow us and are kept up to date on what makes and models we're releasing as our collection. So for now, we're going to start with a few collections. First off is going to be a Jeep Wrangler Gladiator. We have a Lexus IS models. We have a Range Rover Defender. We have a Ford Mach-E, and we're going to be having a Ford F-150 very soon. So make sure that you follow us and keep up to date as we release them. And how are we selling them, Norm?
Either Amazon, we're also going to be on eBay, and we'll expand as time continues forward.
Right.